Hi everyone! Recently, many of you viewed my shorts video on how to make Lucky Star after the Chinese drama Hidden Love. I received a few requests to make a slower video. I know shorts video can be too fast sometimes, so here you go. First, make a loop to tie a knot. Then, flatten the knot into a pentagon shape. Like that. Fold the little piece of paper inside and start to wrap the paper strip around the shape. Keep wrapping until the end and tuck the end strip into the pocket. Now use your nail to press the center of the edge. Do the same on all edges. Pinch all the corners and you are done. I hope you enjoy my video and have fun folding this. Thanks for watching.